So you get anything a rock stone. You can get anything if you can't breed a woman. We have the thing for your breeder.
Yeah.
You understand? And if your thing not rise, we'll have it too. Let me show you that.
Yeah.
Let me give you it, you know.
Yeah, man, show them, man.
You see, if your thing not rise, these are the ones to make your thing rise, you know.
Yeah.
Then, hard like a piece of steel.
Yeah.
Judgment, man. The boy mad sus run out and talk about the fire where you want, the fire for the fire. Like him a come hype up people for the people things on social media. The boy mad sus come like he a drink too much mad puss bomb bucklad pissing up. Then I walk up and drug every day, hug up blood clot vibes cartel like hug up man like you know love man brother.
Welcome to Linefoot TV at the right place and it's the dog gone away.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell. Blessed love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. Big up on yourself. Welcome to Linefoot TV. You're not the man of peace. We always take the violence off the streets, living love and unity and strength. Yeah, man. In this episode, we have Tikka. I speak is mine and Matsus about Matsus. I will say another brother from England, Lewisham, then England. Yeah. You see me, I beat Matsus as well. Dana, I beat him. Pretty Dan, I beat him, and other people I beat him. I bash him. For the speech him come make, you know, like he must send out subliminal threat under psyches and style. We know the badness and we know the psychological strategic way I play out there in the world. You see me? So when I first saw it, I say, yo, Matsus know him I do, you know. This not gonna come across nice. But you know, we see DNR first took on the topic. Dancehall news and reviews, and they will see Pretty Dan come out and I beat him. And so me I say, so now, me I step out with Tikka. You see me? So Matsus, you never come across, him could have come across better with the information and the message, warning, you know. And so, but the way him send out the message, you can tell us he must send threat and a style, you know. And he must influence and encourage people who out there who have a negative feedback or impact or mindset against influencers. And I have to include myself because I know I'm also a social media influencer. Even though our music I pursue, but you know, yeah, you have some people out there when I like no, we wouldn't like no YouTubers or TikTokers and just see and want to do your things and you see me? That's not right. You see me? I said what out in a public space, people supposed to can speak, freedom of speech. But again, you know, YouTubers, influencers have to know how to bring across a message. Do not defame anybody or do anything wrongful if you bring down nobody. You can speak on matters, but yeah, the YouTubers them also have a role to play in the media space and people's lives as well, without painting a negative picture. Bring across the message positively. All influencers, whether TikTok YouTubers, see? Yeah, but Matsus message them send out, you can tell us them really send threat and a style and encourage other people who don't like the social media influencers and we just want to see them and do them anything, you know. So everybody I beat him now and as I say, rightly so. People I think and I see when me this still is it. But anyway, I'm going to hear Tikka I say. So I say big up Tikka, big up the world 15. SE15. Yes, I say Peckham, South London. Yes, I say, yeah man, Riley, Tikka, take it away.
Judgment, man.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir, Tikka.
The boy Matsus run out and talk about the fire where you want, the fire for the fire. Like him a come hype up people for the people things on social media. The boy Matsus come like he a drink too much mad puss bomb bucklad pissing up. After I walk up and drug every day, hug up blood clot vibes cartel like hug up man like you know love man brother. How am I to the brother the man? The boy Matsus.
Let's get some silent Some sneaking chatty myself.
Some sneaking chatty myself like him a hype up people, what do people think? The same I deal it. Come on, come talk something positive, man. If you want to tell people something good, man, you come chat to all the garbage, you know, come talk about book people on the road and like say people are eat that. Nobody know eat that, and everybody know where you talk about, you know, where you come from, you know, my general. Judgment by your mad post. I'm out. Thing and I come go and like I come style it, but if you youth on the TikTok or him drop, go and load you and go and stop going like you want come start. I come use craft for the youth thing. I want me to you. So sit down, man.
Rest in peace, Naya.
Yeah, man, rest in peace, Naya. Go
Big
sit
up all
down.
of the content creator them.
Big up all of the content creator
Eat on the
them,
food.
man. Yeah, man, eat on the food, man. The boy mad sus, man. Mad sus, I want me to you. Well, our rice never good for you. Just follow back I teach and easy yourself, man.
Yeah, man.
You follow back a man, you know, man. Then, judgment again for mad post.
Tell them about the business now.
Yeah, man, we have a whole heap of thing in our shop here, you know. We have some African clothes, you know, and whole heap of Rasta bead and African bead and bongo. Black a bongo there, beat the drum and step at the right on the front there, same way, and the whole work. So just take a little thing from the clothes, them ready and figure the thing them and shop them out there. Then, everything you want to make you get it right here, so.
Yeah.
Then, Bob Marley, anything you want.
Where's shop name? Where's
You
shop
come.
name?
Rockstone.
From Peckham Ryan.
Peckham Riley. Rockstone. Just come right here so you get anything at Rockstone. You can get anything if you can't breed a woman. We have the thing for your breeder.
Yeah.
You understand? And if your thing now rise, we'll have it too. Let me show you that.
Yeah.
Let me give it, you know.
Yeah, man. Show them, man.
You see, if your thing now rise, this are the one to make your thing rise, you know.
Yeah.
Then, hard like a piece of steel.
Alright, man.
You understand?
Listen.
Manpower. You see it? I'm going to give you the other one again. Yes. You see this one here? You see it? If you can't swell up your woman, then I will make you do your work. You understand? You understand what I say? And check out the mango leaf.
Yes.
Eh?
Mango leaf. Acacia.
Acacia.
Yes.
Soursop.
Moringa.
Moringa.
Yes.
And the whole works.
Yes. The black soap there.
Black soap.
Yeah, man.
Scrub you off.
You see the black soap there.
The black soap you wash off everything off of you and all your bad mind ways. You see your bad mind ways?
Yes.
The black soap yeah, it wash off all the bad mind off of you. See? You see the
Great
bush here?
banga,
Oi, come on, you're
Salute,
done here.
salute. You see,
Yeah.
blessed man. You know, peace and love to everybody that watch. You
You
know,
see the
lion
mango
food
bush?
rise up
Yeah,
all
black,
the
I do
time.
that
You know.
Tell them the address.
Yes. All right. 130 Ryland Pickup.
Ryland, yeah.
Shoot it and come. You know, you get all your spiritual
All
thing
the
there.
spiritual things.
All you
you
address
want.
them. Come get the vibes, my see. All right. We have this them there, and I'm going to
So
check
what
them.
them I represent?
What them represent, you know, I mean, protection. You see, you whip the wicked man there. You see the whip in his hand? All right. Then one there represent, you know, I mean, judgment. Yeah,
If
man.
you-
This is their
and if you have
judgment.
bad
you
mind
see.
and dirty
You
ways,
see the
you
judge
have
there,
all
yeah.
push them to
That-
wash out
yeah.
bad mind too.
All right then. You see.
We have everything in all bad mind we wash out too, you know.
We call them Zawuli,
Yeah,
Zawuli,
yeah.
Zawuli. Yeah.
All bad mind we wash out.
Ah.
We wash out bad mind. Anything in the bush, you wash out bad mind and corruption and clean up
One
everything.
Tikka Ras, you know.
One Tikka.
Tell them about the channel, no, man.
You see?
Tikka Ras TV.
Tikka TV soon up and running, you know. You're going to catch it, you know, because we have a lot of things for advertise, you know.
Yeah.
Boom!
Ah.
All the public them here.
Yeah, show
Them
them,
and give them
come.
the cigarette
You
there,
see,
uncle.
you see the all the kente them from the top to the bottom, the all that kente. You know what I mean?
What them thing? Oh,
Yeah,
fun, man.
that's fun.
Yeah, man, them have fun, man.
You know,
Many time get one. When we spin them up, when we spin out one, we have one open there.
Yeah, open.
You have one that open already.
Just open one like this. You see me? For them to see it.
I'll show them all the fun. You see it?
Yeah.
You see, yo.
It's all them look electric blow whip fan thing, them look battery fan thing where them a deal with. A dolly over thing them there. Look battery fan them, a dolly pad, that them a proper fan. They make you get breeze. Lot of breeze.
I wish Africa this represents. Senegal, Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast.
Ivory Coast. See?
Ivory Coast, and if you fuck yourself, you get toast.
Yeah, tell you what, it's that.
Judgment. Yeah, man. You see, if you are telling you, man, fuck yourself, you get toast.
Yeah.
Straight, and a joke thing.
Ivory Coast is there. All of the
See
product
me?
them are Ivory Coast, and if
Yeah,
you fuck
man.
yourself, you get toast.
Ah.
That
Judgment.
me I tell you.